Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Ethereum coin. In today's video, I want to show you this big falling wedge pattern, and right now Ethereum is once again trying to break out the resistance. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my previous trade setup of Ethereum that I shared for my members, and that was a breakout from a very big down channel. And by the way, before this breakout, I also shared this harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that Ethereum formed in the month of January 2022 at the start of this year. And this was our buying zone, and this was our sell target zone. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line pumped very well. First, we had this short pump after hitting this sell target here. It again dropped down inside this potential reversal zone. Then again, price line had another price reversal move. And then it was more than 50% pump. And now we are moving here. Now, if we take a look at the next chart that I shared, and that was a breakout from this down channel, which I shared on 22nd of March 2022. And you can see our first target was here, this was our second target, and this was our third target. And the price line after breaking out was getting accumulated above the resistance of this down channel. And after playing this chart, we can see that we had a nice pump from this support, approximately from $2,800 to here up to $3,547. But could not continue its move to the upside, and it, after hitting this first target, it moved down from this first target between the area of this first target and the second target zone. Now, if we take a look at this live weekly time frame chart, then here Ethereum has formed a very big falling wedge pattern, and you can see it is nicely moving between the resistance and support of this falling wedge. And right now you can see that the price line, the movement of the price line is getting squeezed. The more it will be squeezed, the more there will be chances for the breakout or breakdown very soon. I'm expecting that eventually it can break out, because you can see it is a falling wedge, a very big falling wedge pattern. And this is also considered as a bullish bias pattern. In here, by the way, before this move to the upside, we also formed another down channel, and we have broken out the resistance of this channel. And that is more visible, by the way, on the daily time frame chart. Let me show you this channel as well. Here we got the resistance of this previous channel, and here we had the support. And let me just switch to the daily time frame. Then here you can see this was the previous channel that Ethereum has already broken out. This was the resistance here, and here we had the support. And after this breakout, you can see we had a nice pump, but we got rejected by this resistance of a bigger falling wedge pattern, and now we are trying to break it out once again. We had a breakout on the daily time frame chart, but when the price line moved down to retest the previous resistance as a support, it re-entered the wedge and failed in successfully retesting the previous resistance as a support. And on the weekly time frame chart, we are still struggling to break out. And once Ethereum will be able to break out, then there will be a very mega move of Ethereum started after breaking out this very big and strongest resistance line of Ethereum, of this falling wedge pattern for Ethereum. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here we have a very big inverse head and shoulder pattern formation as well. You can see right now the price line is forming the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. We had a big drop. Here we formed the right shoulder. Here we formed the head of this pattern. And now we are forming this right shoulder. This is the left shoulder, and this is currently we are forming the right shoulder. And here we have the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And once we will be able to break it out, then there can be a very big move expected. You can see we had a fake out here during this move, and we had a fake out from this falling wedge pattern as well, where the price line again re-entered this bigger wedge, and also under the resistance of this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And for example, if Ethereum will be able to break out this resistance, then a very massive move can be expected that can lead the price line up to approximately $2,960. And in that situation, we can also break out this bigger wedge as well. However, if we got completely rejected from this resistance of the wedge, then we can drop at this support this time at $880. And here we have a very long-term support. You can see here it was breaking as a support back in the month of January 2021. And at the same level almost, we also have this support of the falling wedge pattern as well. And then we can expect a price reversal. But unless this support of this right shoulder won't be broken down, we cannot expect that the price line is getting rejected. And after getting rejected, it will move more down to test this support of $880 on this bigger time frame chart. And by the way, this support of the right shoulder is here. If I place a trend line here, then you can see we have approximately this support at $1,400. And here it worked as a support, here as a support. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support. If it will be broken down, then we can expect that now we are getting rejected and we can move more down to test the support. And by the way, in case of breakout from this resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern, our final target can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately $4,700, $45 to $4,700. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.